Ever been told that household dust is mostly your dead skin cells? Well, get ready to be surprised, because that's a myth. Busted. While some skin cells are in there, they're actually a tiny, tiny fraction of what dust is truly made of. The truth is, dust is a wild, microscopic mix. It's mostly fibers from your clothes, carpets, and furniture. Plus, a huge chunk comes from outside. Think pollen, tiny bits of soil, and even pollutants blowing in through your windows. Got pets? Their dander is a major player too, adding significantly to the dust in your home. And yeah, a tiny bit of you is in there, but it's like finding a needle in a haystack of fabric fluff and outdoor grime. Funnily enough, those dead skin cells are food for tiny dust mites, so there's some truth to the skin connection, just not the main one for the dust itself. So next time you're dusting, remember, you're not just cleaning yourself. You're tidying up tiny bits of the entire world. Mind blown? Hit that like and subscribe for more surprising science facts.